Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your profile from the Threads app on an Android phone. Whether you want to deactivate or permanently delete your account, I will guide you through the simple steps to complete the process safely and effectively. First, open the Threads app on your Android device. Next, make sure you're in the Profile section of the app. Then, tap on the two-line icon located at the top right corner. After that, scroll down and tap on Account. From the Account menu, select Deactivate or Delete Profile. Click on Delete Profile to proceed. Now enter your account password to confirm. Finally, tap on Delete Threads Profile. You will receive an email confirming your deletion request. Remember not to log into your account for 30 days to complete the deletion process. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Feel free to ask questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.